Welcome to my small office here. It's a holder backpack. It's all metal. I finally got that tripod. I've been wanting that for a year. I loved it. Yes, it's big. Voila, it's very smooth. It's an LED light. Oh, it also comes with a bag. Well, it's a very professional. Oh, you must buy that, period. It's the best I've ever had. It's a phone holder. It's metal too. Now, I'll show you how to set it up. It actually makes me have a big smile. That LED light also comes with a charger. I want to show you what it looks like. To be continued.